Kid popped like, I was like, what the heck's that? Lifted that up and I said, you gotta be kidding me.
All this
I said,
time.
You don't even have your phone plugged in, baby.
Huh?
You don't want your
45
phone
minutes
plugged in?
later, I had on a pair of shorts like this that I was swimming in.
You don't have to pause
We
it.
stopping for lunch. I open up the flap, drop it in,
Put it right here.
hop off the boat into water, knee deep. Looked at my pocket and said, oh my God, my glasses were, I mean,
Having a good day.
they were right under the water.
I'm having a wonderful
So
day.
I was able to
That's because
save
I'm with you.
the memory card. That was it.
Sometimes that's just the most important part, but then you get.
It has every division.
Yeah.
You should say you should always take a picture like you go on a trip.
Oh no, I need to turn off the flowers. Is someone in the stay down?
Huh? Pass me up.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
That's why I wanted you to walk out in front of me. Oh.
Hi.
And you're the end of the line, huh?
Welcome to the dizzy stairs.
I know.
You can slide down. That'd be fun going down a slide.
I was reading the thing. In medieval fortresses, they built them counterclockwise, so soldiers coming up the stairs couldn't use their right hand to fight off.
Oh, it's nice up here. It's not crazy about the stairs, so.
I wonder if it's yellow for
Reflect heat, maybe,
Obviously for air.
so it wouldn't get so hot.
I think it's for actually airplanes and stuff. So they know it's not like a landing pad or anything.
All right, I need to find Louisiana. Oh, found it.
I'll take it first. I'll take it.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Hey, Greg. Greg. One second, I'm gonna let you. Hey, Grandpa, I'm gonna take one and I'm gonna let you hop in one really quick. Louisiana's right here.
You gonna what?
I'm gonna take one, then I'm gonna let you hop in one with me.
Okay. Pretty view.
All right, now come see.
Huh.
Louisiana's right here. Oh,
What'd she say? Real nice.
so cool. Hey, Nick, that one says Louisiana.
That one?
Yeah, right under, right there. If you're... Hey,
good.
Victoria, get your brother right there. He is a Louisianian. Here, I'll take some of you guys.
I kind of want to learn it too.
You want a Hawaiian one?
Ben might. I do. We could go to all the places we live.
Victoria, are you going? Go ahead and get in there.
Hey, go hop in. I'll take it.
Thanks. I kind of zoomed it a little because it was fun.
1, 2, 3.
Some days I just miss home. I love being from Louisiana and these little moments.
Yeah,
Ben was actually born in Lafayette.
totally around the world.
Yeah.
We figured out that Doc Rowe, the guy that Sean played,
I'm gonna have to go back and look.
he and I were born in the same hospital in Morgan City.
No way.
Wow.
Doc Rowe was born in.
He's got an accent. Where's he from?
Oh no. Sean is from
Oh.
the UK,
Okay.
but the guy he played, Doc Rowe, who was the medic for Easy Company,
Oh,
the actual he was from.
Morgan City.
Well, yeah, so he was. If you go on like Wikipedia, it'll say that he's from Bayou Chene, which is like a little settlement right north of Morgan City, but it flooded whenever he was a kid, so then they moved to Morgan City.
So this is going to be funny. So he was born in the hospital where Shakira was born, the
Fancy?
singer.
Yeah.
And I was born in the hospital where Chase Atkins in North Louisiana.
Oh, nice.
So we all have like a little.
Yeah, very cool.
There goes the rodent. Yeah, the dog.
That's funny.
Gotta be careful, the birds will come down and grab it.
Yeah, watch out for those eagles.
Oh, that's a big quarry.
Yeah, I noticed that. Apparently, that was their last time. I remember hearing a story about that from up here with their last tour group. They were telling us something with that.
Like something like.
Yeah, that's the city of Bastogne. This would have been like a vantage point that that they were trying to get, because this is up on a hill.
Mm-hmm.
You got it?
So it's just really cool.
Right here. Dad, come hold this. Look.
I'm probably gonna go try to see what they're talking about. Victoria, did you want to get a picture of you and I on the Louisiana thing?
We didn't get one, but I do want one. You know.
All right, well. Y'all sound the same.
What?
Y'all sound the same.
Okay, go.
I'm telling you, you're going to hate this picture.
Is it okay?
It's mainly you
Okay,
doing
should I
it.
go like this?
Yes. Now put 1 foot up.
This one?
Not that much. Kind of pull back just a little. Yeah. Now kind of. I know how you are. I know exactly what you want.
Thank
You're not letting me do it.
Are
Okay,
you
now
gonna
try it. Now don't lean. Kind of squat into it.
There you go.
Pages will say it's Photoshopped,
And hold on. And then portrait. Hold on.
because it will be.
Okay, look.
Hey, it's a skill. Get it, all right?
Look with your kind of tilt your head this way. There. Okay, you're gonna hate every single picture. So
Every one of them?
let's see.
Let me show you how it's done.
You want me to go take that picture from over there?
Oh, I like that. But you didn't do it right.
I'm sure you can't do it right.
It's this. Victoria, watch. All
do
right,
one
this
of
is the form.
Connor.
Okay, ready?
Okay, so that's a bend pose. Move, Ben. Oh.
Hey, Connor, tilt your head a little. Wow, you're great. Do one more? One more, Connor?
Connor, you're gonna have to redo it.
One
You're
more?
gonna go in. No,
I
you're
only
good.
did portrait. Wow, you guys are great.
Wow. Amazing. Okay,
So much amaze.
so I'm gonna go.
Such
Mom's
amaze,
gonna do
such wow.
Such wow.
Which one is it, Mom?
It's right. It's right here. Get on the side.
Hi.
Hi.
Please don't drop my phone.
Please don't drop that Dantana. All right, I'm gonna.
I love you.
Oh, me too. Oh my god.
Okay, okay.
I'm counting on your pictures.
Me too. Bless you.
No, I went down and came back up.
How are you? Excellent.
You can't hear us.
I know, huh? We only got a little short tenure.
Well, too much of a good thing, you know.
Yeah, you know, you gotta.